Thank you for watching my video. I'm AYANA. Today, I will make Napolitan spaghetti. It's loved by everyone, from child to adult, and it's popular in Japan as cafe restaurant to eat. I like to make the sauce is moist, the spaghetti is al dente. So let's get started. These are ingredients. You need green pepper, mushroom, onion, and I use bacon today, but you can use the ham or sausage. And this is pasta. I use the moderate thickness to make the sauce, tomato ketchup, and butter. Okay, let's begin. Okay, slice the onion. So 5mm slices, and cut the mushroom. Finally, cut the bacon. Okay, the oil is heating, so add the onion. Add the sugar. So I want to add sweetness, and it helps to coat the vegetables to keep umami flavor. Okay, let's add the ketchup. And heat it up. So let's boil down the ketchup. It helps to remove the sourness of ketchup. Okay, I think it's okay. And mix. Okay, water is boiling, so add the salt. I use 1500 milliliter water and add the 1 tablespoon of salt. Okay, let's boiling. So I want to al dente spaghetti, so I boil 1 minute shorter than displayed time. Sorry, the package directions. Okay, I want to use the pasta's water, so take it and add the saucepan. The pasta is good, so I drain the water. Add the ketchup. So I want to add our moderate sourness. So add divide the time. Okay, so add the pasta. And mix well. Okay, add the butter. I add the Parmesan cheese. And finally, black pepper. It looks so delicious. それではいただきます。The spaghetti is al dente, and the sauce is well mixing with our spaghetti. The sweetness is good balanced. This Napolitan spaghetti is very popular in Japan. You need simple ingredients, and the sauce is made from ketchup, so it's very simple, but its taste good. So I recommend this dish for child or adult too. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.